SEC urged to make an example out of Elon Musk's late Twitter filing. I heard about this. This is basically like some.
If you're buying more than 5%, you need to let them know. That's what it is.
They love to be let know. I mean, they have. Listen, they already have their issues with him going on a while now.
Right. Yeah.
Shout out Oddvar. Elon Musk and the Securities Exchange Commission might be facing off once again. They're the ones who fined him when he said we're going private.
Yeah.
You remember all that. This time over the CEO's Twitter stake filings. Elon Musk allegedly committed filing violations while acquiring Twitter stock. By law, investors must notify SEC if they surpass 5% stake in a company within 10 days. According to a 13D SEC filing, Musk passed 5% stake on March 14th, but did not disclose his holdings until April 4th. He should have disclosed his Twitter stake on or before March 24th. So he was like a week and a half late. To recap, he officially owned, wow, look at all those shares. 73,486,938 shares. SEC filing also revealed that Musk owned 9.2% of Twitter stock, making him the single largest shareholder. Well, yeah, they're going to want to know about it. The main issue seems to be that Elon continued to purchase Twitter stock at $39 a share between March 14th to April 4th. After the 13G SEC filing revealed Musk's 9.2% Twitter stake, the company's stock price increased more than $50 a share. Well, yeah, we saw that. We saw the chart when it came to that.
The hockey
and
stick.
of course, they want to make an example out of Musk. So here comes a fine of some kind.
I heard the fine is really low, like for Elon, like it's like $100,000 or something.
For Elon?
For like, I mean, $100,000 to Elon. What is that gonna do?
What is it gonna do?
Nothing. I don't think you even notice it. We're talking about the richest man in the world.
Yeah, that's chump change for him.
Yeah.
So $100,000 for Elon.
So it seems,
Not
but I
gonna
don't know.
hurt,
Hold
not
on.
gonna
We should
hurt.
find out. We should find out what the fee is.
You said
before-
$100,000.
I know I said that. I'm just saying that I don't know. I just heard.
Well, I'm gonna go with it.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna go with it.
Somebody check that. later.
We're gonna go with it because you're our financial expert.
Right. Right.
You're our business analyst
Uh-huh.
and our financial advisor.
Okay. This is not financial advice, okay?
And he just
What's wrong with my keyboard?
Will just Googled fee. F-E-E.
I typed in this whole paragraph and then the last word it got.
Sure.
Okay,
Will.
bizarre.
Sure. Well, we know what you're up to today.
Trying to help Mo out here. End up falling like that lady trying to film.
Oh, man. It's just the definition of the word fee.
I was like, oh, right.
Let's get a refresh on what a fee even is, as Mo talks about $100,000 chump change fee for Musk. Well, I'm glad we're up to date. We're very lucky to have you as our financial advisor on the show, Mo. Yeah. Twitter employees in total, maybe you'll get fined by the SEC.
Yeah, maybe.
They'll be like, you're giving the wrong facts and figures. Oh, God.
Oh, man.